How are you doing out there?
Now I know some of y'all know what I'm saying up here. I can speak correct English, but that's not what we do when we are there. Don't get you right now. So we're going to talk it as true native tongue. Now look here, us going out there with churches on Sunday morning, and we come out and we look at one another, we say, how about that religion? And one like we say, oh honey, it's just so sweet. We don't say them like that. We say, how about that religion? 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 All right, y'all like that?
Yeah.
Okay, now look here now. Jesus ain't coming back down here on the earth no more. He ain't coming back down here now. Y'all, some of y'all won't know why. Well, you ain't got to ask me, but I'll tell you why. Because they in the tree of living vineyard. We sang a song for the Pope. We had gone down in 2015 and meet the Pope. Then we had down in the chocolate group. And guess what we sang? Lord gave a judgment. Lord gave us. Lord gave us. Lord gave us. Lord gave us. So look at that. Stop the food now. Look at it. Now look at it. Everywhere we go, I see some people look like us. Some are back at midnight. Some of us look like Canton. And some of us just look like this. How come us look like us here?
We look the way we look because we're black.
We what?
We're black. So what if I am a black woman? Is it a disease? Well, if it is, I sure hope that it's fixed. But what they need to do with us, they need to pour us in a bottle, label us, and sprinkle us over all of the men and women who have a word to die, live to cry for either one of us. So what if I am a black woman? Is it a crime? Well, arrest me because I am smart.
Yes.
Wait till he gets to the part where I gotta tell you something. If it's a crime, well, arrest me because I am smart, but I'm still learning. I like to eat, I like to feed, house, clothes, leave my and yours. Like you've been doing for the past 300 years. And you black men know that we black women, we can't be hateful, but it's okay. So what if I am a black woman? Is it insane? Well, commit me. Because black woman. Is it a sin? Pray for me and pray for yourself. Because if you don't like women of color, we are midnight black. We are chestnut brown. Cocoa nip, big lip, big breasted, and beautiful. All at the same time. So what if I am a black woman? I'm not saying rights is you. I work for them, die for them, lay and lie for them. On every plantation. From Alabama to Boston and back. So what if I am a black woman? I love me, and I want you to love me too. Because I am as I've always been. Near you, close to you, beside you, caring, giving, and sharing. Your black woman for over 300 years. Love us.
All right.
Yeah, you may come up and go to church. Now look here now. Every time I go in the church on my street, I can see 5 churches on the same street. I go in the park other day in my church, and somebody be in my parking spot, and I can get mad. But I go home and I think about that thing, and I say, you know what, Kenya? If 5 people get saved and all 5 of them church, that's 25 people. So you know I had to change my way of thinking here. But you know, I like to go back and talk with the pastor on Sunday after church. You know, we go back and say what the pastor was trying to say. When they ain't been trying to say what he want to say. That's what he said. So you know what, Daniel? I see the sign. 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 Sign in the air. Sign in the air. Sign in the air. Sign everywhere. Sign everywhere. Sign everywhere. Hey, God, walking. Hey, God, walking. Hey, God, walking. Walking through the thunder. Walking through the thunder. Walking through the thunder. People gonna wonder. People gonna wonder. People gonna wonder. I see signs. I see signs. I see signs. Us got to come on the talk like this. Yeah, they ain't know. Can you do it? Go ahead and tell them.
Thank you.
Well, as we travel, education is what we do. Education is not what we teach, but heritage is what we do. Well, young folks to understand, they do not have to be ashamed of their grandma, great-grandma, grandpa taught. Why? Because once upon a time, we had a language all about it. As we maintain our language, we can stand in the grocery line, hold a conversation like other ethnic groups do, and nobody would know what they're talking about. Every now and then we get together, workshop is good. We must go down to the mountain. But the reason I have a language is because when we came from Mother Africa, we were placed on different plantations, sometimes different tribes. And we had to learn how to communicate with one another. So we hear about words from master and words from each other, and us put them all together. And we put on a language all we own. Sometimes they call it the us language. Sometimes they call it the we language. But I tell you what, I remember just like yesterday. When I first had to go to studio. Let me tell you what I'm doing. What I did tonight. I go in yonder to the shipper and I get me front. Got my dress. Bring them out there to the front. Go into the living room. And then I lay it on the lounge. Lay it on the sofa. And put it. Early in the morning. I get up. I got up. Placed that bitch. I raised the women. Walked out yonder on the piano. Walked out on the porch. See my great grandma down. How you doing? I joined her. What are you doing? Eating your ration. Eating my food. Where are you going? I going to the school house. Yeah. I left the kill. That's the house. I walked out in the yard. In the yard? I could have had no car. We had no car. Coming down here to the school house, you doing? One to stop and one to now. What was those ever. And look at all the children been in one room. All the children. Yeah. The scoundrel. And look at there was a plump little gal had a hand on the kindle. She was that. And I said, you know what? I go back to the yeah. You know what? When I get there, first thing, it says, go yonder to the ice box, to the refrigerator, and get yourself a belly washer, a sour drink, and go to the cupboard. Yeah, and get yourself a soda biscuit. Yeah, and get the yab drink. Go yonder and sweep that yab. Now listen, I said Johnny. I said Pink. I said John. I said Glenn. What happened? They don't want to play basketball. I said yeah. I said cat. I said lad. I said pad. What happened? That arochukwu lady right. You should have seen kind of him. But our ancestors, there was a method to the madness. If O came before I, and if A came before R, they did not pronounce it R. Yeah, y'all. Cat, cop. That is why, you know, every now and then the TH would get missing. Substitute a D for a PH. Them. Mom and them. That ain't where it's supposed to be. Every now and then, Steve Harvey, where he used to say mom and them. And you yell at every now and then. You say, yeah. Let me tell you, these are programs. Yeah, we wear this thing here, form and fashion. This is an apron. Our old folks didn't have a whole lot of frocks. Yeah, so you get one frock, and use that one frock all the way to that end to protect that frock. Yeah, okay, that's it.
And look here,
Where we've been coming up, ever Sunday morning, us had to go to church. And my uncle was a Sunday school teacher, and he couldn't read a tap. He could read a little word like D and A and a little word like that, but he get never. He said big word. When he get the Shadrach and Meshach in the bag, then they go, you know what he said? Big word, big word, big word. So you know one thing here in the Bible, the first Bible story in there was how the snake beguiled Eve gave to Adam and Eve. Now look at now. We ain't had to buy all these clothes. I should have walked around naked. And we ain't know we were naked. Now y'all people gonna say, y'all ain't gonna shoot that. But you know what thing here? I would have took 2 steps to pin and pick the shell, and then take 3 and tuck the shell, and then tuck these one back there, and everything would have been all right. They would have had to buy all them nice clothes, y'all. Now you got to go store and keep up with the fashion. We didn't have to do that. But you know one thing here? Adam is standing right there. When the snake came in, you know what he should have said? Don't get away from that thing. But he going down, eat him himself. Jack, can you see a little bit of that? Yeah, they found out they had to pick up leaves.
Whoa, and in the garden, what home, Adam? What home, Adam? What home, Adam? Even Adam, what Adam?
Right now, look here now. This ain't no show song, yeah. Y'all know what been happening. Us ain't been getting paid. Us ancestors ain't been making no money. They was all trying to work for free, picking cotton and all kind of things like that. But you know one thing here? When we started getting paid, sometimes they short of change $1.50. $1.50. You know how we say it, $1.50. And we want us money. So we say, I want my money now. So this is the buzzard load. You know what happened in the nighttime? The moon do what? Moon shine. So they get that ball of moon what? Shine, yeah. And they have fun with that. So this young, and then they look around and see how the Caucasians were buried their dead, and they say, you may throw me anywhere in their old field. Anywhere.
The water spirit brought us. And the water spirit will take us home.
My Lord, and be free. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be a slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free.